Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Lowe's. So let's dive in. So we're going to check out some of the best deals going on right now. As you can see, they are having their Spring Fest deals going on. So we're going to check out some of these and then also just all the great deals going on right now. We have some Scott's Turf Builder. Got some weed and feed here for 60 bucks. These are the larger bags. Then we also just have some other weed and feed options here. You can take an additional 50% off of these right here, the Stay Green. So if you need some of these, again, it's starting to warm up. We got the weeds coming up, and we need to probably feed our lawn. I know mine is looking a little rough, so I got to get that tamed. And then we have the little bit smaller bags here as well for 25 bucks. So again, you're going to need some of those. Definitely a great time to grab some of these, and you can see again the clearance right there, 19 bucks, and you get to take an additional 50% off. Then we also have a couple more for Scott's Turf Builder. You can see some of these. Again, pretty good prices on a lot of those right there. You get to save 8 bucks off of the Scott's Max here. Then we have a couple more options as well. So again, it just kind of depends on what you might need, but with the warmer weather here, it is a great time to go ahead and start taking care of your lawn, getting this stuff prepped and ready for the springtime and the summer here. Then we see another deal here for Scott's Easy Seed. Need some Bermuda grass, little patch repair here, and even the smaller container right there for 19 bucks. Get to save 5 bucks on that. Pretty good deal on that one. Then we have a couple Ego options. We have the hedge trimmer attachment here for $150. See, this is on clearance, and I'll show you a bunch of the Ego deals going on right now. They had a bunch of these on sale and on clearance. Then we also have the string trimmer attachment down to 80 bucks. So again, if you have any of the Ego options, this is definitely a couple good ones to check out and see if you might need these as well. Then we also have the limited time deal here. You get the Ego battery with the purchase of the brushless string trimmer. So if you're going to purchase one of these, you get the battery as well, which is nice. Then we also have the Stay Green Bermuda here, 33 bucks. A lot of the deals here at the beginning are for items for your lawn. And then another deal here for the Ego option as well. You get one of those batteries. So again, if you need a battery lawnmower, because I know a lot of people like those, and some places you can't run the loud ones, you can check these out. Also have some Roundup here, taking care of weeds in your yard. Get a little deal off of that one. And then here's another option for the 15-inch Ego 180. You get to save 40 bucks off of that one right there. Did a couple more deals on these. Again, a lot of these have the free battery with those purchases. So if you need the blower, the weed eater, or even the mower, you get the battery with it. So it's really nice. And then again, a lot of these are on clearance, so you even get the lower price here. So a little bit larger blower there, again on sale. And then here are the batteries that you get with those, which is a great deal because the batteries are pretty expensive. They have another Weber on sale. I feel like these are always on sale, but it is grilling season right now, and so it's a great time to grab some of these and save a little bit of money. You also have the Char Grill on sale. This is the limited time deal, 99 bucks. Get to save 50 bucks off of that one. So again, another solid option for that one there. Another deal right here, you get to save 50 bucks on the Charbroil. I've had one of these brands before, and they've done pretty good. Like it has the wings right there and a lot of setups. Also have the Kingsford charcoal for 18 bucks. Get to save a few bucks on that one. And then also the lump charcoal here for $20. Get to save 4 bucks. So again, solid deal. Here is another great thing to grab are some of these little pocket hoses. You can check some of these out. Again, a great for, small spaces. And then even some crud killer here, multi-purpose cleaner for $3.50. Also the Greenworks pressure washer, 2100 max PSI at 200 bucks. You get to save about 50 bucks for that one. Yeah, the Craftsman 3000 PSI at $300. Again, a little bit more heavy duty. Another grill. You got this one for 600 bucks, Oklahoma Joe. Again, pretty nice setup. This is a heavy duty option right there for that one. I really like The setup looks good, looks heavy duty and strong. Another char griller, $250. Get to save $50 on this one right here. Again, another solid deal for that one. Kind of just depends on which one you might be interested in. You also have the Craftsman gas lawnmower, $350. Get to save $20 on this. Again, with the grass starting to grow, definitely time to grab you one of these. Also, limited time deal, free Toro leaf blower with the purchase of select zero turn riding lawnmower. So if you're going to purchase one of those, you get one of these right here as well. Pretty nice deal. They have the Cobalt blowers, drop down to $129. Again, another solid option for that one. Cobalt's a good brand. They're going to do a solid job for you. $149 right here. You can go check one of these out for the trimmers. Again, great if you already have the Cobalt brand. More hedge trimmers right here for Craftsman. You got the cordless option, especially again if you're in the Craftsman brand. Great deal for these. Had a bunch of their tools and deals on sale. So you got the hedge trimmer right there. You also have the pruning chainsaw. And like I've said multiple times, I really like these chainsaws. These are kind of my go-to options when I'm cutting stuff up. If it's small enough, I will use that. If it's large, I will pull out my large chainsaw. And then we also have the brushless leaf blower as well for $99. So again, good deal on all of those. And we see the push lawnmower right here as well from Craftsman. We saw that one just a second ago. Just want to show you another setup for that. And then we have a couple other self-propelled options down to $399 for Craftsman. So again, pretty good deals and pretty good options on these. Just really depends on what you might be needing and also the size of your yard. So here's another one as well, down to $299 with the battery. So again, you can check those run times and also check the prices. Another thing going on at SpringFest is 40% off of major appliances, and then you have a couple other deals as well once you spend a little bit more. So if you're interested in those, definitely a great time to check those out. We have a little DeWalt jack on sale for $150. Then we have a bunch of tape measures. We can see different brands on sale. So again, which one you might be interested in, you can check a lot of these out. They also had the Skill compact multi-kit right here for $129. So if you need any of those, really nice. You guys know I like Skill a lot. They do a good job. Then we also have the Power Core 12-inch right here. I really like this one because it switches back and forth. So in case you're doing some pilot holes. And then we even have the bit set here for $25. This was missing in my store, but you can see it right there. Had a couple Klein items. Had the impact set on sale, even some shears. So if you need some of those, marked them down a little bit. The folding utility knife with driver. I think that's kind of mimicking the Milwaukee brand there. And then a couple other just Klein tools. I've been seeing more and more Klein items at Lowe's. So I guess they're getting a little more popular there. Even have the permanent markers that I feel like everyone has now, but always great to use. They work pretty well when you're working, especially with woodworking and different things. And then a little job site toolkit here with 2-piece. Got some Craftsman deals. Need some batteries. You can check those out. We even have the 4-tool combo kit here for $150. You can also grab the 1/2 inch brushless impact wrench there, or even the 8-tool combo. Then some Cobalt tools, similar things. Got the battery. Then you have the different drills. And then you also have the recip saw there and a couple other options with these. Then we also have more tools right here in Craftsman. So again, if you need some of those, you can definitely check them out. Craftsman's a solid deal as well. They're definitely going to do a good job for you. But you can see, again, more options right here with the drill driver kit for $99. Also the Cobalt brushless 1/2 inch drive cordless driver there. $199, and then also the recip saw with the one-handed option here for $80. Then we have some more Bosch tools. So again, just some small parts for Bosch. Get to save a little bit of those. So again, if you're die-hard Bosch fans, you want to use those, you can. Some DeWalt blades, 12-inch saw blade here for the miter saw. And then we see more recip saw blades, $24 with those. Some polarized safety glasses, and then a couple more DeWalt items again, whatever you might need, you can check some of these. Don't think you'd go to the store to grab these, but if you're there grabbing other stuff, definitely a thing to check out. Metabo has the Pro Savings Day, up to $50 off of these items right here. So if you're interested in Metabo and you really like these, you can check those right there, especially if you're going to be purchasing a decent amount. You can grab them. Also have some deals going on with some of these as well. So we have some drills. Also have a couple other sets, like combo set here for $130, and then a few other options for these. You can kind of just see some of these deals have just kind of dropped. Not a huge fanfare for these, but again, some of these have dropped in price. So again, if you're a Metabo fan or maybe an old school Hitachi fan, you can definitely grab some of these and save you a little bit of money. And they're definitely going to do a good job for you. Then we also see more deals right here for DeWalt circular saw for $100. Good price for that one there. Then Flex has some of their deals available here. We have some blowers for $95. We have the drywall cutoff tool here. Again, get this for $80. It is tool only, so just remember that. So if you have the Flex options, great to grab one of those. And then we also have the impact wrench here for $200. Another solid deal for that one. Then we have the Bosch 18-volt option here. So if you need to grab one of those, pretty good price. And then also the 18-volt circular saw down to $99. So again, pretty good deals there for Bosch. More options for Craftsman. We saw a couple of these. We just want to show you all some of those right here. So you get to save some money on these. You save up to $60 off of some of these. So again, it depends on what you might need. And then while you're there, you can also grab some of these drill bit trays and again, save you some money. Probably not going to go and get the drill bits, but while you're there, definitely something to grab. And then here is another Flex option I want to show you guys. Down at $50 for the 4-tool combo. So if you need some of these, and again, if you're a diehard Flex fan, check those out. $350. More Cobalt deals right here. Your choice for $80. Check some of those out, or $100 here. You can check some of these out as well. A few more options for DeWalt. You got some batteries, and then also a couple different drills. So impact drivers and all of those right there. So whichever ones you might need, you can check some of these out. And then even more blades here for DeWalt. So whatever size you might need, or whatever size miter saw you have, you can check these out and see if that's something that you'd be interested in and if it would help you out. We even have some drill bits here. Nice options for those. And then also a few more blades as well. And then a couple more smaller deals for DeWalt. Again, some things you might could grab while you're there. Bit sets and different stuff. Titanium drill bit sets. And then did want to show you this. $100 for, again, the battery option for DeWalt. And then also more Flex deals. Look at these. Free combo kit with a medium toolbox. So check that out. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Lowe's. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. Also, remember to subscribe to the newsletter down below so that you never miss another deal. And I will see you in the next video.